are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. If you're new here, don't hesitate to subscribe. You guys thumbs up if you like the video, and yeah. So let's dive into it. This is not gonna be a long-winded conversation, hopefully not. So I'm gonna be talking about two things I use on my face right before I use my, especially at night. I use it especially at night. One I can use in the morning or not, and then I definitely use it at night after I wash my face or whatever. And sometimes I don't have time to wash my face, or I'm just too tired to wash my face. So I use this product, one of which is face wipes. I think this is my third box, and it's 180 wipes in here, so it will last you some months. It will definitely last you some months. So this box right here is by Kirkland. And once again, as usual, I will drop the link in the description box or description section down below, and just let me read here what it says. It's paraben free, and why I really like this is because it contains micellar water. I mean, the wipes have micellar water, and it's from 99% naturally derived ingredients. So I love that, as natural as it can be, because remember I did mention before that I only use oils most of the time. I would say 80 to 90% of the things I use on my face, oils. Not just my face, my whole body. So as natural as it can be, even better. So yeah, 180, and this lasts a long time. And here you have 4 30-count packs and 4 15-count packs. So just let me show you. I've been using this for a while now. So these is the 30-pack ones. This is how big they look. The 15 packs, I think I already used all of that. And on my second 30-count pack, and I have 30 counts left. So yeah, this is how it looks. And you can just, obviously, if you have used face wipe before, you know how they work. And you just pop it right here, pop it open right here. You open it. I don't want to open this yet because I don't want it to dry out or anything. So, but yeah, it's 30 in here, and I have another 30 in here. And usually, sometimes if I have no makeup on my face and I've been home all day, I'll just use one wipe, you know, at night before I go to bed, or during the day. I can just use one wipe, or before I go to bed. If I have gone out, come back, take a shower, or wash my face, and I use 2 wipes, sometimes 3, depending on how the make, because I've been using this gel eyeliner and eyebrow. So I usually, just to make sure it's all off, if I didn't shower that night, I use like 3 wipes just to make sure everything is off. So check this out, you know, grab this. I know some people like using Neutrogena, which I used to use a lot before, but since I found out about this, I mean, there was no going back for me. You can just get 1 box. It'll last you months. It's 180. I mean, at least two months, maybe 3 months. So, and it's worth the money. I mean, other brands might cost more to get the same amount of wipes, obviously. And this is by a company called Kirkland up here. And again, I'll put the link in the description box. It's worked well for me. It's never broken me out. It's never irritated my skin. It might feel I'll say tingly, a tingly sensation, which some other, I've used Neutrogena before, and I still felt that same tingly sensation sometimes. So yeah, it just depends on how your skin is. If your skin is really sensitive, then it might, maybe it might burn or something. But this is it's just a face wipe with micellar water too, which is, I love it. So that's good. Next, we're going to talk about toners. And I love using toners because it also helps you take, in case there's anything still left in your skin after you wash your face, maybe use wipes on your face too. Use the toner, get in there. And you know, I just love toners. I've always loved using toners. So the one I've discovered lately is by a company called Bolden, and here it is right here. I don't know if you can see that clearly. Am I showing it properly? Sorry, I wasn't showing it properly. It's right here by Bolden. And I love this toner as well because this is actually a brightening toner too. So, which is why I also love it. So it's not just a toner, it's actually doing something. I mean, regular toners do something anyway, but this is also a brightening toner by Bolden. And again, this is my second, because I don't like to review things that I haven't tried yet, except if it's just something I want you to try with me, along with me, then I'll, you know, there'll be full disclosure, like, okay, I haven't tried this yet, you can try it with me, or I guess wait and come back and see what I say after I've tried it out. So again, I've tried a full bottle of this already, and this is my second one. As you can see, it's a little bit down here. I mean, not really, but just a little bit used. So I really love this, but again, by a company called Bolden, and this is their only products I've tried. I haven't tried anything from Bolden yet, but I've tried, of course, the toner, and again, this is my second one. It did not irritate my skin, it did not break me out in any way. So yeah, this is also good. It really has some really tiny, can't really strain my eyes right now. It's a brightening, diminishes, it tightens the skin, and it controls oil. So it diminishes dark spots, it tightens your skin, and it controls oil too. So again, this has not broken me out. This has not made my skin sensitive in any way. So yeah, you can give this a try if you want. If you have tried this, you can put it in the description box. No, not description box. In the comment section, if this is something you've tried, if you even tried something else that worked for you, maybe I might want to try it. So yeah, just if you used this before, you can put it in the description box. If you have any other questions concerning this one, put it in the, I keep saying description box, comment section. comment section. So yeah, these two guys over here, I've used this for like over a year, because this is my fourth buy, I think. Yeah, what am I saying? Yeah, this is my fourth. So I know there's no breakouts, no sensitivity or anything. Again, it might tingle depending on the state of your skin. I do notice, like when I'm using, say, like a retinol, it will probably sting a little bit, or if you really scrub your skin and then you put this wipe over it, it'll sting a little bit. But apart from that, you're not really gonna feel anything crazy uncomfortable by using these wipes, and they last long. It's a bang for your buck, pretty much. So yeah, and this, it tightens your skin, clears dark spots, and it's brightening. So hey, what can I say? And if you have any questions, please comment section. All right, see you guys back on my next video, and have a great day. Bye.